Hello everyone, and welcome back to Writing Tutorials. In this video, we're going to learn how to write a sports coach teacher job application letter step by step. If you have experience in sports, physical education, or coaching, but you're not sure how to explain that professionally in a letter, this video will guide you through exactly what to write, why each part matters, and how to make your application sound confident and well organized. Before we start breaking down the letter, let's first understand what this type of letter is. A sports coach teacher job application letter is a formal letter written to a school or academic institution to apply for a position that combines teaching and sports coaching. This letter highlights your ability to guide students physically, mentally, and emotionally through sports, while also supporting discipline, teamwork, and healthy habits within a school environment. Now let's go through the letter step by step. We begin with the sender's information. This includes your full name, home address, email address, and phone number. When writing this part, always use a professional email address and a phone number where you can easily be reached. This section is important because it allows the hiring manager to contact you without confusion. It also shows that you understand formal letter structure and take the application process seriously. Here's how it appears in the sample letter. Marcus D. Reynolds, 4187 Oakwood Ridge Drive, Plano, Texas 75024. Email marcus.reynolds@email.com. Phone 469-558-9031. Next is the date. Including the date shows that your application is current and up to date. Schools often receive many applications, so the date helps them track submissions properly. In this letter, the date is written as date, March 21st, 2026. After that, we write the recipient's information. This section shows who the letter is addressed to and which school you are applying to. If you don't know the hiring manager's name, using hiring manager is completely professional and acceptable. This part is important because it proves that your letter is written specifically for this school, not copied and sent everywhere. Here's the sample recipient section. Hiring Manager, Summit Valley Academy, 1225 Preston Meadow Lane, Plano, Texas, 75093. Now we include the subject line. The subject line clearly states the purpose of your letter in one short sentence. This helps the reader immediately understand why you're writing. In this example, the subject line is Subject, Application for Sports Coach Teacher Position. Next comes the salutation, which should always be polite and professional. If you don't know the hiring manager's name, Dear Hiring Manager is the safest choice. Now let's move into the first main paragraph, which is your introduction. This paragraph explains which position you're applying for and briefly summarizes your background in sports coaching and education. When writing this paragraph, clearly state the job title and highlight your overall experience and values, such as fitness, teamwork, discipline, and healthy competition. This paragraph sets the tone for the rest of the letter, so it should be confident and positive. This paragraph is important because it gives the employer a quick overview of who you are and why you're qualified. Here is the full sample introduction paragraph. I am writing to apply for the sports coach teacher position at Summit Valley Academy. I have a strong background in physical education and sports coaching, along with experience teaching students the importance of fitness, teamwork, discipline, and healthy competition in an academic setting. Next is the second main paragraph, where you describe your practical coaching and teaching experience in detail. This is one of the most important parts of the letter. When writing this paragraph, explain what you do in your current or previous role. Mention specific sports, coaching activities, lesson planning, and how you adapt training for different students. These details help the school imagine you working with their students. This paragraph is important because schools want coaches who are organized, adaptable, and capable of working with students of different ages and skill levels. Here is the full sample paragraph. In my current role as a physical education instructor at Northview Middle School, I plan and deliver structured sports activities, coach team practices, and support students in developing physical skills and sportsmanship. I have experience coaching basketball and soccer, organizing school tournaments, and adapting training sessions to suit different age groups and ability levels. Now we move to the third main paragraph, which focuses on why you want to work at this specific school and highlights your personal qualities. When writing this paragraph, show that you understand the school's values and connect them to your own strengths. Mention qualities such as energy, organization, motivation, and your ability to encourage students. This paragraph is important because schools want coaches who support both academic and athletic development, not just sports performance. Here is the full sample paragraph. I am particularly drawn to Summit Valley Academy's focus on holistic student development through academics and athletics. I am energetic, organized, and dedicated to creating a positive and motivating learning environment where students feel encouraged to stay active and build confidence through sports participation. Next comes the closing paragraph, where you express interest in an interview and invite the employer to contact you. When writing this paragraph, keep your tone polite and professional. Let them know you're available and open to discussing your qualifications further. This paragraph is important because it clearly signals your readiness for the next step in the hiring process. Here is the full sample closing paragraph. I would welcome the opportunity to discuss how my coaching experience and teaching skills can contribute to your school's athletic and educational programs. I am available for an interview at your convenience and can be reached by phone or email. Now we end the letter with a formal closing and signature. Always use a respectful closing, such as sincerely, followed by your name. Here's how it appears in the letter. Sincerely. Signature. Marcus D. Reynolds. Before we finish, here are some overall tips and reminders when writing a sports coach teacher job application letter. Always balance your coaching skills with your ability to teach and mentor students. Highlight discipline, teamwork, and student development, not just winning or competition. Keep your letter clear, professional, and focused on how you support students' physical and personal growth. Finally, always proofread your letter to make sure there are no spelling or grammar mistakes. And that's it. That's how you write a sports coach teacher job application letter that is professional, confident, and student-focused. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more step-by-step writing guides. Thank you so much for watching writing tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.